So we have seen in first class that what all things force can do. Okay. So before this, we have seen that motion in motion chapter, we have seen that motion, uh, what is the nature of motion. Now in this chapter, we are going to see the cause of motion. So force is actually the cause of motion. Okay. Now what all things force can do? Force can move a body which is stationary, it can make it in motion. If a body is in motion, it can bring it to rest. It can change the speed of the motion. It can change the direction of the motion. Okay. And it can even change the shape of an object also. So this is all given in this introduction part. Now we are going to see balanced and unbalanced force. Okay. So if a box is there and two equal forces are acting on it, one along the direction of x and other along the direction of y, then this type of forces are called balanced force. And because of this balanced force, this box will not change its state of rest or motion. Okay. So ब्लॉक, सपोज एक ब्लॉक पड़ा है टेबल पे, इस पे एक्स फोर्स और वाई फोर्स दोनों इक्वल लग रहे हैं, तो ये फोर्स स्टेशनरी ही रहेगा. जब दो इक्वल फोर्स अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस में लगते हैं, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ फोर्स इज कॉल्ड बैलेंस्ड फोर्स. ओके. So such forces are called balanced force. Balanced force do not change the state of rest or motion of an object. Okay. So if block is pulled from both the sides with equal forces, the block will not move. So when equal forces act in opposite direction, this type of force is called balanced force. Okay. Then let us see another example given in figure 9.4. Here there is a heavy box. Okay. And these two people are trying to push the box. Okay. Still the box is not moving. That means the force exerted by these boys is acting in this direction, and force of friction is acting in the direction which is shown by lower arrow. When these both forces are equal, this box will not move. अभी तक क्या हो रहा है, इसमें बैलेंस्ड फोर्स लग रहा है, क्योंकि फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय दिस बॉयज एंड फोर्स एक्सर्टेड by force of friction, these are equal and opposite, so they are cancelling each other. Okay. Now suppose this boys exert some more force. Okay. Then in this case, this suppose block starts this box starts moving. Okay. Or it moves a little. So in this case, what is happening? The force exerted by this is more than force of friction. The muscular force of boys or children is more than the force of friction. So this is a case of unbalanced force. Okay. If an unbalanced force is applied on an object, there will be change either in